Oh, hello. Hello. Hello.
From here that I've wanted to do. It's an hour's walk to a waterfall here. So we're going to walk to the waterfall.
Plan for today.
The dogs, then come back and have dinner in the pub.
Sounds good. Sounds good.
We can do that. But
Here.
also, I don't want to start eating when it's ready.
Coffee.
Done and
Oh. So we're having scrambled eggs. Should be good. Alright, we're out and about and we're going out, but here's the little train station with the train in it. It's the Eskdale Railway. Hey?
Steaming up.
Anyway, we're going to Coniston. I think we're just going to walk around there because it's a pretty miserable day. It's pissing rain. We're hoping that it clears up later. We're going to go for a walk from the campsite to see a waterfall. Going up the pass from the other side now. Oh, it's quite steep.
I'm glad health and safety hasn't kicked in and put up all guardrails along here and ruined the look.
Oh wow, look at it. See the car up there.
that way that
It
white
looks
car is where
insane
we,
from this side.
that's where we spun.
This is the hill where we spun.
Yeah.
I'm
Just where that
surprised you
car's
got up
been
this
at.
far already.
Well, it was fine.
It was like this, and then literally we
It was
turned
a
that
sunny day.
corner.
Kate, it was a sunny day.
Yeah.
We turned the corner, and it was literally just
Where
a
that
sheet
car
of
is now.
ice.
And we
It
just
looks.
got-
I think it actually looks a lot more impressive going this way. Wow, that hill up there is just covered in cloud. Oh, I'm being rained on. Ooh. So is my camera.
Come on,
Fuck man, this is steep. You're right, Indy boy.
He's gonna have to-
Indy's in the back. Yeah, he is. He's looking around. It's like, whoa, where are we, dude?
we got it caught on the one.
Fuck me, this is steep.
Looks like his wheels are spinning out.
Really? That one, surely that one would be better than this one.
Again, it's all down to the tyres on these things.
Yeah, I suppose.
They're all spinning.
Yeah, they wouldn't have had
Right,
time to
Indy.
put new tyres on it.
Indy, you're right, baby. That's mental. Look at it.
Wasn't done this yet,
We are in the clouds. This is great. Although it doesn't sort of seem like it, but we can't see down now. This is the Hard Knot Pass. And down we go.
Let's park up one
Look, it's just clouds. You can't see anything. What a shot. Look at that. You can see the road straight ahead. It's pretty cool. That is actually a good spot to stop. There's the road down there. Yes. And we sort of came from. We're in Coniston. In the pub. So let's have a look at these. And it's empty. They filmed a film here, I think. You're an indie boy. You wet. Recording, right? Me and Dawn are out in the rain, and we're just checking out the mountain. Bit of water.
Slaughtered dog's head on you.
Bought Christina a present.
I'm glad I wasn't wearing this yesterday through that field.
We're back in the car, so we've gone shopping. We've picked up some bits and pieces. And now we're waiting for Alex and Christina to come back. And I think we're going to go to a cafe. The cafe's on the lake, isn't it?
Yeah.
On Coniston Lake. And
Yeah, so I'll go to the docks if you have a coffee if you want one.
sounds good. Sounds good. I could do with a cappuccino. Maybe even a bite to eat. And I think we're going to the pub for dinner, aren't we?
Tonight we are, yes.
Yeah.
I'm going to have that lasagna again. That's really nice.
So, Indy and Andy are out there. I'm having a spoon.
Quick.
Hey, Indy. Indy boy, you wet? Okay. What a shitty wet day. Anyway, this is the Bluebird Cafe on Coniston Lake. But we're now going to go to another pub. We're going to another pub, aren't we?
We've got to pay. Yeah, you do. You have to pay in here.
I think that's the other
Andy,
car.
I don't know. We're going somewhere else. Damn this rain. It's been raining all day. So anyway, pardon me. We're waiting for the others to come. Here they come. And we're going to go walk to the pub for dinner. We've just been sitting around really since we got back. Just chilling out.
Oh God, look at that, it's wicked.
Everyone's quiet.
Brick hammer?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because it's a brick hammer. You change the ends.
Just you talk about the shaft.
Okay, come on.
It's important, a hammer needs to be weighted properly.
Okay.
I bought a hammer a couple of months ago from Snap-on, yeah, and I need to give it back to him. It's complete piece of shit.
Snap-on hammer.
Yeah, it's absolutely useless.
What's that?
I brought a hammer a couple of months ago, I didn't say last month, it was a couple of months later.
That's because he's worn it out. That's all he uses on all the cars.
No, I bought his hammer and it's got it's a dead blow hammer, but it's got like different weight each side of it, so you've got a choice. But the shaft's so short with it, it's just weighted all wrong. So when you swing it, it just feels.
There's an orange one on the green ones.
Oh, it's a new one out. It's a new one out.
Okay, I'm sitting over there, but we're going now. Very warm in here, so we're heading back to the thing now. Oh, because all my alcohol is there. Whoa, steps. Ah, it's raining. I'm gonna put my camera away.
Come on, Jack, man.
No, he's going to let that die down.
We'll let it die down there.
Whoa!
Windows are up.
I think Teresa had the right idea, taking her top off. Bloody hell.
It's not that kind of party,
I'm going to go get my bikini on.
We're not in Temptations now, Chris.
All our clothes are dry,
This is
all our
warm,
boots are dried. So we'll let that go out now.
It's more as if you put 8 of the same down. So say if you put like, if you've got 5 quid, I've got 3, you put 5 down, I put 3, that also burns them, gets rid of that lot. If you've got 8 of the same, because there's 2 packs, we play 2 packs. So if you had like 4 queens, like 4 queens, and we put them both down, that gets rid of them. But that doesn't actually happen very often. Normally got 2 packs anyway.
Right, sorry, you put that down.
Me. Storm's turn.
Storm's go.
So I got one dog here sitting, she's on my foot. And then we got Jack down there as well. Yeah, she's on my left foot.
Stay there.
They're all watching Adele.
Go now!
I'm being honest. You wouldn't even realise.
No, we wouldn't. We're fucked.
They're so fucking stupid.
Can you go?
Oh, okay.
Pick one up! sorry. Just saying. Just make sure you know.
Lie down!
We're watching some police show.
Can't see very well, me wine in the way. In the way.
Dirty mind is brilliant. Right, see you later.
Yes.
Really? Good night.
On the radio's on.
What is this?
The one getting spanked.
What?
My angle is probably the most important
What?
thing is actually being in charge.
And
So
everyone,
choose
even
the
Millie's watching
opposite
this.
heterosexual I'm male, dominant, heterosexual. Our kind of fantasy ideas.
I don't know what we're watching.
Oh, this is excellent.
What's occurring?
One of your friends say when you tell me you've got a dungeon.
Oh, they were all
Alex
really
left at the wrong time, put it that way. He is so going to regret this.
You want to sit here?
This is superb.
Yes, sir. Where's my wife gone?
Okay, maybe I can do that for a living then.
Action.
Meet the people who are making thousands of pounds catering to the nation.
Yeah, just for our music.
If you go like, as not online, as you go, you know, you go to London Hotel or whatever, and like, you know, some Arabians, like, just wants his head squeezed, basically.
Right, we're all off to bed. That was weird. Kinky Britain, that was called, but too fucking weird. So, everyone's gone back to their cabin over there. I see them. Right, night peeps. Anyway, it's bedtime, so I'll see you tomorrow. Good night. These sheep are all interested in us. Hi, sheepy. You trying to push through there, you silly muppet? We're just